Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I am here with, you say it's your birthday. It's my birthday too. With Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. It's day 4. And I tell you, they've been some awesome little gifts. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you, Sabrina. So let's see what day 4 is. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my God, it hurts. Sabrina and her tape, I tell ya. One time it's not sticking, and next time you can't get in it. It's a book. Looks like a book to me. Maybe she made me something. We didn't make that rule, so we don't know. She sent me one of those little books. I said I thought it would be cool to alter. That's cool. Okay. Hidden treasure. I'm gonna put my Pepsi in there. Oh, don't fit. Can't put my Pepsi in there. I could see put alter in that. I isn't important. I like this. I think I'm just gonna try to find me a little image and leave it the way it is. She showed me this. I'm like, that's easy enough to alter. Like I said, I think this is out of the $5 box. I could be mistaken, but either way, I think that is so cool. Put like another little maybe picture of a sunflower or something in there. I could definitely alter that. So that's gonna be cool. That's cool. And that thing's tight. Listen to that. That's cool. I like, and it's sunflowers, and I love sunflowers. I'm gonna find me some put in there. Maybe I'll just add to it. T, I, kind of put a smaller T, add it in, and an A. See, I'm already thinking out of the box, guys. Right there. Think out of the box. Think out of the box. Awesome, Sabrina. I love it. Thank you so much. See? There's nothing wrong with it. Because most people are like, hey, my initial is an I, but I'm already thinking, how can I cover that? Make it my own, or add in my own initial T, I, and N-A. Who knows? You'll never know what you can make with something that you're like, what am I going to do with this? Perfect example. Think out of the box. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Sabrina. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.